go on business one-to-one meetings, when you're out there networking and you're meeting people and then you want to get to know them better, so you set up a one-to-one meeting so you can get to know each other and possibly pass referrals? Well, that's what I'm going to talk about today. My name is Maile Collmer. I'm a business consultant. I specialize in business development through relationships. And I've been talking with my clients a lot lately about how their one-to-ones are going. And they're not always going great. I heard a lot of complaints about how sometimes they're just too social. Social is great, but they want to get down to business. Sometimes I hear they're getting pitched and they're being sold to in their one-to-one. So there's lots of different scenarios and things that are coming up during one-to-ones, and I'd love to hear what challenges you are facing. So if you have any challenges, you can write them in the comments below, and I can help address those things. So I do have a few quick tips for your one-to-ones right now. So first of all, you want to set expectations. So when you're setting that one-to-one appointment, you want to set some expectations on how long you're going to meet for, where and when and all that good stuff. But what do you want to really know about that person, or what the purpose of the meeting is? I want to get to know you better so I can potentially refer you business, and hopefully in kind you will as well. So I'd like us to get to know each other and our businesses a little better. So you're setting that precedent that you are going to be talking business, but in a collaborative way. Another tip is to think about some questions you have specifically for that person before you get to the meeting. So do a little preparation, little legwork. Look them up on LinkedIn, look up their website, find out a little bit more about their business, so when you go into that one-to-one meeting, you're prepared and you have some questions in mind that'll help you know how you can possibly help them and how you can connect on referrals. And then the third tip is, that first one-to-one is just to find out if you'd like to do another one-to-one with them. So don't expect everything to happen and you become magical, amazing referral partners that first meeting. It's going to take several meetings. That first one is just to get to know if you like that person well enough and you like what their business is well enough that you want to have another one-to-one, and then you can plan out more strategies moving forward. So those are my tips for your one-to-ones this week. If you have any things that you are coming across that you're challenged with in your one-to-ones, I'd love to know about them so I could help you with that. We also cover one-to-ones in my referral bootcamp. So take a look on my website, contracosta.asentiv.com, and see if you want to participate in that program as well. Again, I'm Maile Collmer with Asentiv, helping you grow your business through relationships and referrals.